Welcome to my screen, everyone. So I have created an AI chatbot for my own therapy clinic which I'm running. And first I'm going to show you the proper working of this AI chatbot. So let's say I'm going to type hey on this chat and I'm going to send this hey. And once I send this hey, my AI chatbot is saying hello again, how can I assist you today? So let's say I am not sure which therapy I need and I want this AI chatbot to help me. So I'm going to send this message which says I am not sure which therapy I need. Can you help? And I'm going to send this question. And once I send this question, you're going to see within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to reply me. Absolutely. To help me find the right therapy, could you please share a bit what you are experiencing? So let's say I'm going to type, I want to help with the anxiety and stress management. And I'm going to send this query, which is like the help I need. And once I send this, you're going to see within second it is replying me. It is sharing me 3 therapies using which I can cure this. Alright, so now let's ask for more details about a particular therapy. So I'm going to type more details of, and I'm going to let's say know about this stress management techniques. And I'm going to type more details of stress management techniques. And it is going to share me the same. You're going to see within seconds and in real time it is going to reply me. And over here you're going to see that we have successfully received this reply. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot can help my potential customers or my customers. So I have created a knowledge base and I've uploaded this knowledge base on my AI chatbot and it is replying me according to this knowledge base only. You're going to see over here are the individual therapies which it suggested me. You're going to see the details are exactly the same. Let's say I am going to know about this doctor. So let's say I'm going to ask about this doctor, which is Anjali Mehta. So let's say I'm going to send this message and you're going to see that within seconds and in real time it is going to give me all the details about this. You're going to see it is sharing me the availability, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you're going to see the details are exactly the same. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And in order to create this AI chatbot, you have to open Pabbly Chatflow, and over here you have to come from the left end of the site towards this AI assistant. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow. From the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant. And if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Chatflow in the description box below. So go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on that sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, and then further log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on this AI assistant from the left end of the site and click on this add AI assistant. Now we have to name our AI assistant. So let's say I'm going to name my AI assistant as AI chatbot for therapy clinics and click on this add AI assistant. You can name it according to your own choice. Now after clicking on this add AI assistant, a window something like this will appear in front of us where we have to select the instructions. So if you wish, you can give the custom prompt. You can select this as custom prompt and give a custom prompt to your AI chatbot. But we have some pre-built examples like the AI agent, customer support agent and much more to help you. So you can use any one from this also. I'm going to use this AI agent and now the instructions will be added over here. If I want to edit, like if I want to add or delete some, I can do this, but the instructions are already added. So if you wish, you can keep it as same too. Now let's move on further. The next is this temperature. So you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I want focused answers, so I'm going to keep it as 0.2. Now we have to select the AI to use, so I'm going to select OpenAI, and for the model I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key, so to get this API key, let's click on this OpenAI API key page. And after we click on this OpenAI API key page, we have to click on this create secret key. You have to name your key, select the project and click on this create secret key button and your key will be created. Then you have to copy this key and paste it in your AI chatbot. And after pasting this, you have to click on this button which says connect, and as you can see, OpenAI key saved successfully. The next is this AI assistant settings. So you can do the settings from here. You can add the header or a footer message. You have to switch it on and type the header or the footer message over here. The next is the stop keyword. So if you wish, you can definitely add these stop keywords too. You have to switch it on right from here. And in order to add this top keywords, you have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is really important that you type the keyword and press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. And once you enter the keywords, what is going to happen is that now whenever a user is going to type this keyword and send it on the chat, automatically the AI assistant is not going to reply to them further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. So you can add a footer message, like if you want to stop the AI assistant, type stop or type human or something like that, so that your users know that if they want to talk to a human or if they want a manual review, they can type this stop keyword. The next is this retry attempts. So over here you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. The next is this fallback message. So this message will be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your email address in this message. So what is going to happen when you add this email address? Let's say user has some emergency, so they can contact you on email if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. Now with this, we have completed this AI instructions. The next is this knowledge source. As I already mentioned that I have uploaded this knowledge base using which my AI chatbot is solving user queries. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open a blank Google Doc and enter the knowledge unique to your clinic in that Google Doc. Then go on this file and then download. Alright, so let's say I'm going to go on this file. Let's open the Google Doc. Let's go on this file. Then we have to go on this download, and over here you have to download this in TXT or PDF format. Both of the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT, which is plain text formats, because for plain text we don't have any limits, but for PDF we don't have limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you how you want to download it. I'll suggest you go for TXT format. After downloading this, you have to go towards this choose a file. From the left end of the site, you have to go towards this downloads and upload your knowledge base. And after uploading this knowledge base, you're going to see automatically over here you're going to see the vector ID and the date and time of the uploading. And with this, we have successfully uploaded this knowledge base. The next is this AI interface. So you can add your brand name over here. So let's say I'm going to add my clinic's name right over here. I'm going to type my clinic's name over here and it is going to change here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely add the subheading too. And over here is the initial message. So you have to type the initial message and press enter to add the initial message. You can add up to 2 initial messages. The next is powered by Pabbly labels. If you wish to enable it, you can enable it. Otherwise, if you want to disable it, you can simply disable and it will disappear from here. It totally depends upon you. The next is this footer text. You can add this to add the disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. Footer text will turn into the link if you add this footer link, and if you do not add this footer link, it will remain into a text only. The next is this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. You can keep it as according to your choice. The next is the styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the WhatsApp button colors, text colors, and much more. It totally depends upon you how you want your AI assistant to look like. And yes, with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant. Now what you have to do is you have to switch it on from here and click on this Save AI Assistant. And once you click on this Save AI Assistant, it is saying AI Assistant saved successfully. So yes, we have saved this AI Assistant and created this. But how are we going to use it for our business? For that, you have to go towards this embedded and you're going to get this script. You can simply copy this script and paste it on your website, and this AI Assistant will be added on your website. And then further, let's say any user want to start a chat, so they can click on this start chat and they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and a hey will be sent from them to you on WhatsApp, and further the AI assistant is going to reply them. And further, if you want to assign this AI assistant to a particular contact, from the left end of the site you have to go towards this inbox section, and after you come on this inbox, you have to open the contact you want to assign this AI assistant to, and then you have to go towards this choose AI assistant and assign the AI assistant from here by selecting the AI assistant and clicking on this save. Further, if you want to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, you have to go towards this setting from the left end of the site and then towards this inbox settings. After this, you have to scroll and enable this AI auto replies. Over here, you have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all of these contacts. And yes, now whenever any message is going to come from this contact list, this AI assistant is going to reply them once I click on this save. So yes, if you wish to learn how to create a new contact list, you can go towards this left end of the site towards this contact section. A video tutorial dedicated towards each of this section including contact is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and create your own contact list. With this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant. So let's test it once again. Let's say I'm going to clear the previous conversation and start fresh. Once again, I'm going to send a hey over here, and after we send this hey, I'm going to ask a FAQ. So let's scroll, and let's say I'm going to ask a FAQ, which is, are the sessions confidential? I'm going to ask this question. So let's wait for the reply first, and you're going to see here's the reply. So now let's ask another question. Are sessions confidential? This is a really good question. So let's ask this question, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time it is saying yes, all sessions at Mind Ease Therapy Clinic are strictly confidential. And this is the exactly same detail which we have entered over here. So let's say I'm going to type another question, do you accept insurance? And I'm going to ask this FAQ, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time it is going to answer exactly the same which we have entered over here. So you're going to see it is replying me exactly the same. So with this, we have completed this AI assistant, and now go try this AI assistant for your own therapy clinic, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the Chatflow, or you can say or towards this AI assistant, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.